Hi, my friends. This is Renee with Zesty Meal Prep and Pantry Makeover Services. And as a Zesty Chef, you will be able to make a huge difference in people's lives, in families' lives, especially busy moms and dads. So, our program is a way for them to come back to the dinner table to feed their families really healthy whole foods. And our goal is to be able to help save them time and energy so that they can spend more time with them, with their families, with their children, with their spouses, more time in their pursuits of happiness, doing things that they love, rather than having to cook a meal every single night. So as a Zesty Chef, you will be able to make 7 meals 1 day a week, and those dinners will provide for them, those families, for the following week. And as a Zesty Chef, you'll be able to make a huge difference in their lives and help them have more time and energy, and really help them to be able to have a lot more fun. A lot more fun. Sometimes it gets frustrating after coming home from a busy day of work to have to cook and clean and do all the things that moms and dads do, and you're going to save them that step. So you're providing a really wonderful service, and I am super grateful for you. So if you have a desire to make a difference in the lives of families and you love to cook and you want to be able to help them and make some money for your own family, then apply down below. And we'll be talking to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.